કૌશલ દિનેશ વડોદરિયા મારું નામ છે. મેં 55 યર્સની છું. મને બહુ દુખાવા ચાલુ છે તો અને મને તમારા ચેન સાહેબ અમને ઓપરેશન બંને પગનું અને સારું છે. પહેલાં બધું બહુ દુખતું હતું અને સખત ને કાંઈ લગાવતી જ બોડી નહીં તો પણ એનાથી કાંઈ ફેર નથી પડતો. ઓપરેશન સ્કીટ એને સારું છે. 3 મહિના ઉપર થઈ ગઈ.
We were recommended by a family doctor to Amyn Rajani sir, and we visited him 4 months back, and he suggested us to do surgery which was partial for our knees, and it went really well. We did it at the Didawati hospital, and my mother took approximately a month to recover from the pain, and he also had his team come over to our place for physiotherapy after the operation. And Dr. Salini, Dr. Meenakshi were great help, and always a phone call on him, Dr. Rishad also. And my mother's recovery is fantastic, and Dr. Rajani has been hands down the one of the best and the most warm doctors I've ever met. And yeah, we're very happy with the operation and the surgery. Thank you.